Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you important things about the EA Markets Challenge. What are the things that you have to be aware of if you want to actually use it. So one step here is one step evaluation, where you're going to find the daily loss 3%, trailing drawdown 4%, and profit target 6% and payout share 80%. So then you're going to have also unlimited time there that you have to be aware of. Then you're gonna have a two-step here. As you can see, it's kind of the changes and also the price changes there. So the two-step, you have increase of daily loss, and you have also increase of initial the balance loss. But it also depends what kind of the balance you're choosing. Let's say I'm gonna with 50k, and then the data is going to change, right? So that's kind of thing that you have to be aware of. And then when you're gonna go further, you're gonna have also the 88E8 track, where let's say you're gonna have again 50k, and you can have daily loss there, it increases initial balance loss 2, and profit target 5%, 5%, 5%. And you can have as a 3-step evaluation. So you can also customize it if you want to, but there you're gonna have higher step, also profit split, and it's changing the prices. Now, the biggest differences between the one-step and two-step that you have to be aware of is the one-step, the trailing max loss is dangerous. It follows your equity. Higher profit target. So that's something that you have to be aware of. You can see right here. And faster funding. Now here, what you're gonna see here for the also two-step, you have a static max loss, easier profit targets, and lower risk, and more affordable base price. So right here you see $400 comparing to $588, right? And now the payout rules. So payouts are on demand, so no day can exceed 40% of total profit. Net profit must be at least 50% of your daily, and if DD is let's say 4%, net profit must be 2%. So no day can exceed 40% of the profit. Fast payout processing, and payouts increase with higher customization settings. So let's say if your total profit is $1,000, this is for EA1 and Classic. Let's say you're gonna have one day profit is going to be 1,000. Your biggest day must be less than $400. And that's pretty much it. That are important things. So what are some prohibited things? This is also important. Hedging across multiple EA accounts, multiple EA evaluations, copying the same strategy, using commercial EAs, copying traders between unrelated accounts, high frequency trading, order spam, latency abuse, and trading identical strategies across evaluation accounts, and use trading restrictions. So EAs are only allowed if they're unique to you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. And the evaluation is also kind of expensive. That's something that you have to be aware of. And the consistency rules are also strict. So have a great day, and goodbye.